Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I'm going to share with you egg sandwich recipe. This is a cold sandwich recipe and very easy to make, requires only few ingredients as much as 3 to 4 ingredients. This can be made just in a jiffy, like 5-6 minutes, and you will be sorted for your morning breakfast, and also you can give this to your kids as tiffin and they are going to love it. And it's very healthy recipe and protein packed recipe. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now let's jump into the recipe and make egg sandwich. For that, here in a bowl I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter in room temperature. Now I am going to whisk it for 5 minutes till they are creamy like this. When the butter is nice and creamy like this, we are going to chop some boiled eggs. Here I am using 2 hard boiled eggs and I am going to chop them into very small pieces because we are going to stuff this egg inside the sandwich. So cut it like this, very small dices. Done. Next, in the creamed butter we are going to use 1/4 teaspoon of salt because the butter already contains some salt. Next goes some black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder here, and mix it thoroughly with the butter. Then add the chopped eggs and remove the whisk, and I am going to mix the egg with the butter using a spoon. That's it, the stuffing is ready. Next I am using bread. Here I am using 4 slices of bread and I am going to apply the stuffing over it. Be generous with the stuffing. Isn't that easy peasy recipe? You only need butter, salt, black pepper and egg. That's it, and within 5 minutes your stuffing is ready, and within 2 more minutes the sandwich is ready. You can have it like this, but I am going to remove the crust from the bread. So using a bread knife I am going to cut the sides down like this. Cut the crusts from all the sides, then cut them into triangles and serve them with some ketchup, and our cold egg sandwich is ready. So do make this recipe and give it to your kids as tiffin or have it in morning breakfast, and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.